Yo people, Wagwan, welcome back to Run's Tech Hub, and today I have with me my brand new Nintendo Switch 2. Haven't even opened this brown box yet. Came straight from DPD. Let's go. Let me just cut this open. Cut the side here as well. That part. That part. Alright, here we have it, the Nintendo Switch. Now, I pre-ordered the Mario Kart bundle just because it just made sense. Mario Kart for Nintendo Switch is like GTA 5 for other consoles. You're never ever gonna get rid of that game. It's gonna be with you forever. So that's why I pre-ordered it. That's probably the only game I'm gonna have as a software game. I'm going to do a quick around the box first so people know what they're getting. I'm going to try and hide my code if there is a code I need to hide. This is the front of the box, and on the front of the box, quite obvious what's there. We have a TV, we have the Nintendo Switch, we have the dock in the background. We also have the Joy-Cons here, and this tiny thing here is how you click the Joy-Cons together to make it like a proper controller. So it's not attached to the Nintendo Switch itself. Mario Kart icon down here. I'm going to go to the left-hand side. On the left hand side, so it tells us that we have 10 things inside the box, and I'll go through the 10 things quite quickly. First one is a Nintendo Switch itself. We have one console. Number two, we have the Joy-Con. We have the left side, it says L right there. Number three, we have the right Joy-Con. Number four, we have the Nintendo Switch AC adapter. That's just a UK power plug. Number five, we have the USB charging cable. Number six, we have the the Nintendo dock. We have the Joy-Con grip. So again, that thing in the middle that allows you to set up the Joy-Cons as a standalone controller. We have number 8, which is the Joy-Con strap, so you can hold it on, strap it onto your hand so that it doesn't fall off. Number 9, ultra high-speed HDMI, debatable, but it's probably an HDMI 2.1, so it gives you up to 120 Hertz. Mario Kart World, that's the download code again. As I mentioned, this is a software version of Mario Kart, probably the only software thing I'm going to have on this. Everything else is going to be a game card. On the right-hand side, it has, attention, it has a Nintendo Switch 2 with the dock up, and it has both Joy-Cons being used by 2 different people, so it kind of shows you that even though you have the Joy-Cons and you can attach it and use it directly with the Nintendo Switch, you can also use it individually to play games. And I think this is how I played the Nintendo Switch 1 the very first time with my friend. And at the back, we just have the Switch. We have the Joy-Cons attached. We have the dock. I'm interested to see how good this dock is. I know that there's cooling built into it, so that's a really, really good thing. For something that's, I would say, this powerful, we need some cooling. And at the very bottom, nothing special, just the typical writing that we get with Nintendo Switches or any electronic device that we buy.